Actually, in Madhya Pradesh, there is a very, very wonderful example. You know the Queen Ahalyabai? Her own grandson did something wrong, molested a woman, raped a woman. And when he was reported that this is what he has done, what did she do? Killed him. How? By smashing his head by an elephant. His head was put on this and the elephant just smashed his head. That thing actually I remember that was one of the first impression that I had of Madhya Pradesh. When I came to Madhya Pradesh, I actually met Uma Bharati in her office. And in her office there was this picture. So I asked her, what is that? And she explained to me. And I was very impressed. Yes, a king has to be free from attachment to his, or a leader has to be free from attachments. There are so many such instances in our history. Rabindranath Tagore has one story, I remember. It's about the story of King of Tripura. Two brothers, the king and his brother, the king was very attached to his brother. But when the brother was reported of some crime, the king banished him. And there are instances like that. The king has banished his own son and punished his own son because of this is how the king shows how impartial. A judge has to be impartial. Like for example, when you go to High Court, if the judge's relative is brought to the court, should the judge think that, oh, he's my relative, so I should not punish him? No, will that be just? Will that be just? Will justice, the word justice means who gives just decision. So this is how a leader has to be. Therefore sometimes a leader has to be harsh, sometimes the leader has to be affectionate. Sometimes the leader should reward when somebody does something good, like when somebody does something good, what do the kings do? Reward him. Like for example, Paramveer Chakra. A soldier fights valiantly in the battle. The state gives him Paramveer Chakra, the highest honor. At the same time, if somebody commits a crime, the government officials punish him. So that is the point that Vishnudutas are making, that if those who are supposed to guide, supposed to lead the citizens, if they don't do their job properly, then there will be anarchy. There will be total disregard for law and order. Law and order. Law is there to bring order. The laws are there to bring order. And when there is crime, punishment. These two concepts are very important in human society. There must be law to bring order. When the laws are not followed, that's crime. And crime must be punished.